Alright, so the wife is heading around the side of the house and is going to scare the shit out of our cats. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's going to scare them. There's one. Snickers, Snickers, over here, Snickers. There's my other one. Stand up. My cat does not like it. Boy, he's pissed. What is this, Griffin? What is it? Get him, Griffin. Griffin, wanna go get her? Where'd she go? Where'd she go?